Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon, opinion itong post ni Prince Umpad. Tungkol ito sa estudyante na hero. Namatay siya kailang kinikilalang bayani sa nangyari sa Tacloban City school shooting. Ito. Chris Lawrence Fabian is being remembered for his courage after the tragic shooting at San Jose National High School. As fear filled the classroom, he moved to close the door while the shooting was happening. In that moment, he chose to protect his classmates. His bravery helped save lives, but it cost him his own. Today, we honor Chris Lawrence Fabian. His name will be remembered with respect, and his courage will never be forgotten. Please pray for his family, friends, classmates, teachers, and everyone affected by this heartbreaking tragedy. Yan po ang picture ni Chris Lawrence Fabian. Sinearch ko sa Google kung totoo ba ito at totoo nga. Merong article kapapublish lang sa Inquirer.net. Tacloban shooting, slain student who shielded peers hailed a hero. Yan yung litrato nyo. Grabe. Makapaiyak naman ito. A 15-year-old student is being hailed as a hero after sacrificing his life while trying to stop an armed suspect from entering their classroom during the deadly shooting at San Jose National High School. Chris Lawrence Fabian was among the 3 students killed in the attack that also injured 20 others. Hello? With 2 minors allegedly opened fire inside the campus. Authorities said the suspects used a caliber 38 revolver and a Glock 17 pistol. Classmates said Fabian stood near the classroom door and tried to block one of the gunmen from entering after shots were fired through a window. Sabi nila, for us, he was a hero. He sacrificed his own life just to save us, said a 15-year-old survivor. According to witnesses, Fabian was shot in the back while attempting to shield his classmate. Another 15-year-old female student was also killed while several others were wounded. Ano pa? Fabian's grandfather, Rodrigo, described him as a well-behaved and courageous young man. He was a good boy. Perhaps being a Boy Scout influenced him to do that, said the grandfather. Family members said Fabian had recently transferred to the school and dreamed of becoming a police officer. The 2 suspects, both minors, enrolled at the school were turned over to the custody of Tacloban City Social Welfare and Development Office. They reportedly told investigators they were motivated by bullying, although Education Secretary Eduardo Angara said authorities have yet to establish definitive motive. The June 22 attack, considered among the deadliest school shooting in the country, claimed 3 lives and left 20 others injured, including 15 who sustained gunshot wounds. Wow, nakakaiyak. Alam mo, yung pagiging bayani is hindi yan plano. Kahit ang mga sundalo natin na nakakakuha ng Medal of Valor, kwento nila is, pag nandyan na kasi yung sitwasyon, you just act instinctively at nagagawa ang isang bagay, mga bagay-bagay na yun pala is kabayanihan na. Ito si Chris Lawrence Fabian, dahil napalaki siya ng maganda, well-behaved nga, maganda yung upbringing niya, lalabas yung values ng isang tao pagdating ng mga sitwasyon na ganyan, instinct na lang. Hindi mo na iisipin ang buhay mo. Makita ang ako naranasan ko yan sa mga pinagdaanan naming mga armed encounter. Sa nakikita ko, kung hindi ako kikilos, mamamatay ang aking mga tauhan. Lalo na yung first encounter namin, March 29, 1985. Kakaunti kami, isang platoon lang. More than 300 NPAs yung nakasagupan namin dahil plenum or anniversary ng NPA during that day. I realized na mauubos kami pag hindi ako kikilos. Kaya, yan na. Gumawa ko yung dapat kong gawin, na-inspire yung mga sundalo ko, gumalaw din sila, and then to make the long story short, after a 6 hours of gun battle, naligtas kami at nanalo kami laban sa superior. At nakatanggap din ako ng combat medal sa encounter na yun. Ngayon, kung ma-realize ko yung ginawa ko na bakit ganun, hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yung tapang ko na gumawa yung ginawa ko sa araw na yan. Very memorable sa akin yan, March 29, 1985. At ito, saludo ako kay Chris Lawrence Fabian sa ginawa niya. May your tribe increase. Plano niyang maging pulis. Sobra pa sa trabaho ng pulis ang ginawa mo, Lawrence. God bless you. Rest in peace. Sana nandyan ka na sa piling ng ating Panginoon. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Muna ni ang natagaan na mo o gyero. So, siya lang nagpasan. So muna ni ang ilang gipatindog nga balay nga pag-atupan karon. O karon human na gyud sa pag-atop ang gitabang nga ayero.
Sa Ginoo nga salamat sa Ginoo nga panghasin nga di may maulanan.
Oo.
Salamat ko. Magpa inaat unta niya magpadayon ang inabang para dagan ang may nabangan.
Salamat kaayo.
Salamat.